Video editing is like magic. It's the art of transforming raw, unpolished footage into a compelling narrative that captivates audiences. Imagine having a pile of puzzle pieces and then assembling them into a beautiful picture. That's what video editing does. It takes raw footage and turns it into a story. This process involves selecting the best shots, arranging them in a meaningful sequence, and adding elements that enhance the overall message. It's about creating a flow that keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. It's a must for anyone making videos. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a hobbyist, editing is the key to making your content stand out. It's the difference between a video that's just okay and one that's truly memorable. Whether you're sharing on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, editing makes your videos awesome. It's what helps you connect with your audience, convey your message clearly, and leave a lasting impression. Good editing can turn a simple idea into a viral sensation. Think of it like this. You wouldn't bake a cake without frosting, right? The cake might taste good, but it's the frosting that makes it look appealing and complete. Similarly, editing adds the final touches that make your video look polished and professional. Editing is the frosting of the video world. It's what makes your content visually appealing and enjoyable to watch. It's the layer that adds flavor and excitement, making your video stand out in a sea of content. Editing helps you cut out mistakes. It allows you to refine your footage, removing any errors or unnecessary parts. This ensures that your final product is clean, concise, and free of distractions. You can remove boring parts and keep only the good stuff. This keeps your audience engaged and ensures that every second of your video adds value. It's about making the most of your footage and telling your story in the best possible way. It's also how you add music, text, and cool effects. These elements can enhance the mood, clarify your message, and add a professional touch to your video. They help to create an immersive experience for your viewers. Without editing, your videos are just raw footage. They lack structure, coherence, and the elements that make them engaging. Raw footage is like a rough draft that needs refining to become a finished product. Editing brings them to life. It's the process that turns your vision into reality, making your videos not just watchable, but enjoyable and impactful. It's the final step that transforms your hard work into a masterpiece. You don't need fancy software to edit videos. In fact, some of the best tools available are completely free and incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, there's something out there for everyone. There are amazing free options. These tools offer a wide range of features that can help you create professional-looking videos without spending a dime. Capcut is super easy to use, especially on your phone. It's perfect for quick edits and social media content, allowing you to edit on the go. DaVinci Resolve is more professional but still free and powerful. It's packed with advanced features like color correction, visual effects, and audio post-production, making it a favorite among professionals. OpenShot is great for beginners on computers. Its intuitive interface and simple drag-and-drop functionality make it easy to learn and use. These tools have everything you need to start. From basic trimming and cutting to adding transitions and effects, you can do it all. You can cut clips, add music, and make your videos awesome. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your creativity. Don't worry about learning everything at once. Take your time to explore and understand the basics before diving into more complex features. Start with the basics and practice. The more you experiment, the more comfortable you'll become with the software. Remember, the best tool is the one you use. It's all about finding what works best for you and your workflow. Try them out and see which one you like best. Each software has its own unique features and strengths, so explore and have fun with it. Cutting clips is the first step in editing. Open your software and import your video. Think of your video like a puzzle. You need to arrange the pieces in the right order. Use the cutting tool to remove unwanted parts. This could be mistakes, long pauses, or anything boring. Watch your timeline preview to see how it looks. Cutting helps you focus on the best parts. Keep it short and sweet. People's attention spans are short. Zoom in on your timeline for precision. Use tools like Ripple Delete to close gaps quickly. Adjust the length of each clip to ensure smooth transitions. Adding transitions between clips can make your video flow better. Remember, the goal is to keep your audience engaged. Every second counts. Review your edits multiple times to catch any errors. Practice makes perfect, and the more you edit, the better you'll become. Happy editing! Section 4. Smooth moves, adding transitions. Transitions make your video flow smoothly. They connect different clips seamlessly. Instead of jump cuts, use transitions to make it look professional. There are lots of transitions to choose from. Fades, wipes, and cross dissolves are popular options. Add transitions between clips on your timeline. Experiment to see what looks best. Transitions add a professional touch. Don't go overboard, though. Too many can be distracting. Section 5. Sound check, adjusting audio levels. Audio is just as important as video. Clear and balanced audio makes your video enjoyable. Use your software to adjust the volume levels. Music can add emotion and energy. Find royalty-free tracks online. Be careful not to make the music too loud. You want to hear the voices clearly. Good audio makes a huge difference. Pay attention to sound effects too. They add impact and realism.